Consumer Cellular, an MVNO operating on Verizon's network, provides streamlined phone activation through digital channels. There are three main scenarios: new line setup, bringing your own device, and transferring your number. For a new line activation, purchase a SIM kit or phone bundle, insert the SIM into your compatible device, then activate through the app or website by entering the SIM number and device IMEI. You'll receive a new phone number automatically. For bring your own device, first check your device's compatibility on the Consumer Cellular website to ensure it's unlocked and supports Verizon's network bands. Then insert the Consumer Cellular SIM card and complete the online activation process. Number transfer allows you to keep your existing phone number. During activation, select Port My Number and provide your current carrier details, including account number, PIN, and the last four digits of your Social Security number. Keep your old SIM active until the transfer completes, which typically takes 1 to 2 hours, but can take up to 24 hours. This process follows FCC wireless number portability rules. Consumer Cellular activations primarily occur online via their website or app. While phone support is available, it's discouraged for standard activations. Physical stores have limited availability. Digital activations are becoming increasingly app-centric, driven by digital adoption. Activating via eSIM is becoming increasingly prevalent, reducing plastic waste. If you encounter issues, ensure your device is compatible, restart your device, check APN settings, usually configured automatically, and ensure the SIM card is correctly inserted. AI-powered assistance is integrated into the Consumer Cellular app for guided activations, troubleshooting common issues like SIM card recognition or network connectivity.